Did you know that you could actually change the layout of the Audi virtual cockpit if your Audi has this option? Not sure how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to change the layout of the virtual cockpit in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi virtual cockpit and click on this button on the steering wheel to open the virtual cockpit menu. Scroll down to Layout. By clicking on this button, you will open the car layout menu where you can change the layout of your Audi virtual cockpit. In this demo we have two different layout options, Sport and Classic. If you cannot enter this menu, then unfortunately your Audi is not equipped with this feature. To change the layout of the virtual cockpit, click on one of the layout options to your preference. A new notification will pop up with a request if you would like to change the layout. Click on Yes if you are sure. The Audi virtual cockpit layout will now change to your preference. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.